disclosures at Augusta Precious Metals.
Northwestern Duluth County in central Kentucky, north central Hardin County in central Kentucky until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Brandenburg, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Valley Station, Muldrow, West Point, Kupiau, Rosewood, Evans Landing, Fishtown, New Boston, Rock Haven, and Stites. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Louisville. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Bring you an important announcement. This is emergency missing child alert. Levi's call. Georgia's Amber Alert. The Atlanta Public Schools Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a 2016 black Ford Explorer SUV with license tag RVL 5658. On September 27, 2023, a defense responsibility, a 14-year-old black female, 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 100 pounds, was abducted by Emmanuel Paul Williams, a 16-year-old occupant, and was last seen from Diamond Green, Colorado, in Hollywood Hills. The defense responsibility is believed to be extreme danger. If you have any information on the defense responsibility for the 2016 black Ford Explorer SUV with license tag RVL 5658, please call 911. The public can also provide information to the TBI tip line at 1-597-TIPS and or the T/Wind app for iPhone and Android users.
And a big red nose. Let's just see that.
Remember when I said years ago